Understanding Logical Inference, a guide to clear thinking. Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into an exciting aspect of the English language and clear thinking: logical inference. Understanding this concept is not just about enhancing your language skills. It's about sharpening your mind to think more clearly and make better decisions. So, let's unravel the mystery of logical inference together. Logical inference is the process of deriving a conclusion from one or multiple premises, based on the rules of logic. It's like being a detective, where you piece together clues, premises, to arrive at a conclusion. In everyday language, it allows us to read between the lines and understand what is not directly stated but implied by the facts we know. Deductive inference. This is when you form a conclusion based on generally accepted facts or premises. For example, if all humans are mortal, a general fact, and Socrates is a human, then Socrates must be mortal. The conclusion is a necessary outcome of the premises. Inductive inference. This type involves looking at specific instances and making a general conclusion. For example, if you see the sun rise every morning, you might infer that the sun always rises in the morning. However, unlike deductive inference, the conclusion is probable, not certain. Abductive inference. Often used in detective work or medical diagnosis, abductive inference involves forming a likely explanation or hypothesis. For example, if the ground is wet, one might infer that it rained. It's an educated guess based on observation, but not foolproof. In everyday language, inferences can be subtle. Phrases like, given that, owing to, or, as indicated by, can signal that an inference is being made. Understanding these cues helps us to comprehend more complex texts and engage in richer conversations. Logical inference is not just an academic concept. It's a cornerstone of critical thinking. It empowers us to make informed decisions, solve problems creatively, and communicate effectively. By mastering logical inference, we enhance our ability to understand the world and the people around us. Today, we've unlocked the concept of logical inference, a key to clear thinking and effective communication. Remember, every word can be a clue, and every sentence can lead to a new discovery. Keep practicing, and soon, you'll be making logical inferences like a pro. We hope this video has been insightful, and we can't wait to see you apply these skills in your daily life. Happy learning!